What's up, guys? This is Haring Pukyutan at your service. We are going to the goat farm. It's once in a lifetime opportunity that I have my family here with me. So we're going to tour the goat farm, show them the farm. We have a Filipino friends here. And I plan to do every other day vlog related to bees. So hopefully I can talk to the manager as well, that I can find a site for me, if not for other friends who can use it. So that's how it works, supposed to be, to help one another. So follow us. Cheers! Subscribe! There you are, there is Gaylord. This is the herd manager here. He's from Isabela. And this is the manager. Okay, I just spoken to the farm manager and she gave us the go signal to go around, but we have Gaylord here. He is the herd manager of this goat farm, so he's showing us how it goes. You follow us.
20 ratio ng 20 lalaki and babae is 1:30. 1 boy is to 30 girl. Pero masyadong dakil eh. Dapat nga gamitin na lang na 1:20 or 1:25. Ano mas sure ko na atong conception na rin na. So, kasi lang din silage.
So that's the silage. They're feeding. How many times you feed in the day?
2 times.
2 times in a day.
Yeah, 2 times for the milkers. But these kids are just once because we give them the whole.
Oh, right.
Bulk.
Yeah.
So dagito yung mga dry ni madida nga naskugan last season. So diretso nga kwan dalang tibaks ito mga lalaki makahabol na ti kidding season.
Yeah. Penicillin pen.
Dali sakit na piki.
Okay.
Good for cow, for culling.
Oh, so that's culling. Where?
No, actually, binebenta nila yan ko eh. $20
$20.
per head.
Okay, I will tell the boys, eh?
Yeah. And that's pet.
Okay, we have here Marie, the wife of Gaylord, who is also working here, and it's a good opportunity to catch up and at the same time have their experience be experienced by us as well, even just a minute.
Hello, welcome to our goat farm.
It's nice to catch up with you, Marie, and then hopefully by your vacation you will have your kids and you come back. We are looking forward to that, and then be part of our family here in New Zealand. All right?
Yes.
Good.
Sa iba ka na lang mag-apply.
There you go. Look at that. Heaps. 1,000. It's 1,000 goats here. They're happily eating. It's eating time with the silage. What's that brown thing, Gaylord? Ano yung brown?
That's growers green.
Growers. Made of?
Raw material na
For beer,
beer.
Oh, beer.
that's why you need to buy more beer.
Oh, wow.
So we can feed more goats.
They're gonna be drunk. Okay, we are going to say goodbye and maraming salamat, Marie.
Po sa pagpunta.
Gifford has to go because he has to work. So we are very thankful for you, Marie and Gaylord. We will see you at some stage, this weekend or the following weekend. Okay, cheers!
Cheers.